officially changed the image generation game forever. So check out its new tool called Nano Banana. And today, just to show you an example, I want to create a meme, a inspirational quote meme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it, give me a professional style prompt for text to image inspirational quote. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. And then I'm going to run it. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate you a few different prompts for creating this image. And it for some reason this time it created me the images as well. So as you see here, this is the first time ever the AI image generator actually gets the spelling correct. And this is really amazing. Look, it just not only did it give me prompts, but it also generated me different styles. So I have asked it to create for me different types of styles, and it really, look at this. Look how nice it looks. This, I think, is changing the game for AI. We didn't have this kind of tool before. So I worked with this for many different things. It actually is a amazing image editor. So if you want to do anything with your picture, you want to add a hat, you want to add a bandana, anything you want to do, this new tool is really amazing. And number two is it's really cheap, right? So it's only eating up just a few tokens, and I haven't used up my free ones yet. That's how cheap it is, and I have been doing this all day now. So I'm going to show you guys in future videos other cool ways how to use this tool. If this video has helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you so much.